welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Today it's a vlog. Yeah, it's a vlog. I have a birthday that I'm supposed to attend. Someone is coming to do my makeup. I want just to take you guys along and spend a day with me attending all those stuff and doing all these things.
Back to time, I've been busy running my mouth dry, speaking lines of how to find higher hopes and sensibilities meant for me. Let's dive in, create a problem just to fix it, the perfect fit. We're back to time, catching up on all the things we missed, so our interest. Try to find the people who stand out, the faceless crowd, lost and found, picking up on the speed of sound to faster ground, moving on. I can't hold back all the new progress, what I've done best, but how about now?
Makeup done. How do I look, Naomi?
You look so good.
I look so nice.
Yeah.
I love the makeup.
This is not Lydiaa.
Paula?
She was just telling me that about
Zara, say hi.
Are we featuring in your vlog?
Huh? Yes, in my channel.
I'm your biggest fan. Lydiaa's my dog.
The birthday girl and another birthday guy.
Noisy one.
And the noisy one, yes. Wish, make a wish. Did you make a wish? Influencer.
If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say fall into the light. If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you were right and carry me. For I've loved and I have died.
Back to time. I've been busy running my mouth dry, speaking lines of how to find higher hopes and sensibilities meant for me. Let's dive in, create a problem just to fix it. The perfect fit. We're back to time, catching up on all the things we missed. All our interest. Back to time. I've been busy running my mouth dry, speaking lines of how to find higher hopes and sensibilities meant for me. Let's dive in, create a problem just to fix it. The perfect fit. We're back.
If I walk to the sea, maybe I never say for I will fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you were right and carry me.
The birthday is over. We are going home now. We are tired. Somebody's tired.
Yeah.
I feel like